Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to convert Excel file to PDF. The first thing you need to do is to open your Excel file. Go to File, then Page Setup. In the Page Setup window, navigate to the Scaling section. Choose Fit to and set both width and height to one page. Then click OK to save the changes. Now, to the part to save this file as a PDF file. It's integrated in the Excel software, which is the Microsoft Office software. So all you have to do is go to File, then click on Save As on the left side menu. Choose PDF from the File Formats drop-down. You can also convert it to Microsoft Word if you want to, but since in this tutorial we're gonna do it as a PDF, just hit the PDF file. Select your desired save location on your computer, then click Save. Your Excel sheet will now be saved as a single-page PDF file. Let me know if you need more tips in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.